Hello there, I am John from Ubeducate. In this video we will talk about cryptocurrency and the way you should invest in them. And I will give you tips that makes you the best crypto investor. But first of all, why should you invest in a cryptocurrency anyway? Investing in cryptocurrencies is a risky venture. But even if you don't invest in them, you are still affected by them. Cryptocurrencies have become a major part of the world economy and will continue to grow. For example, Bitcoin has become a real challenge for the traditional banking system, and it's not going anywhere soon. The best way to invest in cryptocurrencies is to buy them outright or trade on an online platform that deals with this type of currency like Coinbase or Bitfinex. Now that you know why you should invest in crypto, let's then discuss about how to select and invest in the appropriate cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are an emerging asset class, and there are many different factors to consider when selecting and investing in the appropriate cryptocurrency. The first thing to do is to determine what type of cryptocurrency you want to invest in. There are cryptocurrencies that have been designed for different purposes. Some of them are designed as a means of payment, others as a store of value or medium of exchange, while others have been designed as a way to create new types of databases. The next step is determining the level of risk you are willing to take on. The level of risk can be determined by considering the volatility index, the price change within a year, and your investment horizon, the time frame for your investment. Which means the higher the volatility index, the higher the risk. Now let's talk about tips you should know before joining the crypto world. Top 5 tips for successful crypto investment. Crypto investment is a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. To avoid making mistakes and to increase the chances of success, we have compiled a list of tips for crypto investors. 1. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it is important to do some research on the company and the technology that they are using. 2. Invest in what you know. If you don't understand what a company does or how their technology works, then it might be best to stay away from investing in them because there are many risks involved when you invest in something that you do not know about. 3. Diversify your portfolio. By diversifying your portfolio with different cryptocurrencies that have different uses, you can reduce the risk of losing all of your money if one particular cryptocurrency fails or doesn't reach your expected return. I think that the most powerful tool that a blockchain holds is its ability to offer more choices than traditional institutions. If IBM wants to use blockchain, they can do so by providing different services on top of their platform, as opposed to trying to own the entire thing. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe and like this video.